Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys! Welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. Today I'm going to show you how to create this color block eye makeup look which is perfect for a winter night out. So without any further delay, let's just get into the video. That's it for the video guys. So if you like today's video, do let us know in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, I have a little surprise for you. All you need to do is join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get Rs 150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link to join is down below. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye!